Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to reset network settings on Realme C67 device. Before resetting the network settings, make sure to take note of any important Wi-Fi password, Bluetooth pairings, or custom network settings that you may need to reconfigure after the reset. Okay, and then how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, scroll down please, and then you can select system option here. Well, and then you can choose reset option. Okay, after that, click on reset mobile network settings here, and then click reset settings, and then enter your passcode. Well, next you can click on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click reset. Okay, and then the network settings on your device is successfully reset. Well, that's the tutorial on how to reset network settings on Realme C67 device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.